As of a week ago, over 5,000 Kenyans had succumbed to COVID-19. We mourn these Kenyans, together with the over 4.7 million lives that have been lost around the world. The pandemic's devastating impact on global travel, tourism, our supply chains, investment, has caused the deepest economic recession in nearly a century. We here in Kenya responded swiftly and boldly to contain the pandemic, and as a result, the human toll, though most distressing, pales in comparison to other parts in the world. While we also undertook measures to cushion different sectors of our economy, the economic pain has been pronounced. Now is the time to rebuild. And to rebuild successfully requires a worldwide response in confidence and investment to enable production and consumption to bounce back to pre-pandemic levels. The surest way to build that confidence is by making vaccines available to the world in an equitable and accessible manner. And that, sadly, does not happen to be the case today. We need to provide tangible climate financial support to developing countries and ensure that a significant portion of green manufacturing is located in developing countries.